There we go.
Coffee.
Peter, coffee.
Coffee.
Morning, Monday morning coffee.
Yeah. We must start the right way.
Strong coffee, and let's get our mindset strong.
That's right. Definitely.
Yeah.
I want to ask you something. If you
Yeah.
go to a hairdresser,
Yeah.
why would you refer a hairdresser to someone else?
Yeah. Well, because you love your hair, the way she did your hair. Yeah.
As person.
Yeah, as a person, and you feel also the way she treated you, and was it nicely treated, or was she in a hurry? Did she spend proper time with you? It's all about service, and how she make you feel.
How would you relate that to our business in terms of referrals?
Well, I don't think there's any difference.
Correct.
But you made me think about the hairdresser. You got me there, Victor. Wow, yeah. And that is so true. If you want a happy woman, she's got a hairdresser that she's happy with. Yes.
And just as you will refer a hairdresser that spend time with you
Yes.
and understand your emotions, and give you a proper service, then you will refer them. Same as our business as well.
Yeah, so mainly we're talking about referrals today. I'm sure you picked that up. So strong referrals engine creates a steady flow of warm, motivated business.
Yes.
And when you build real relationships, you stay in touch consistently.
Yeah.
And we've got this awesome tool that we can use in Keller Williams called Command, and the smart plans in Command. That is how you can consistently stay in touch with people, to just run a smart plan, even if it's just emails, even if it's just one touch. It's better than no touch.
Yes. Out of mind, out of sight. You said
Exactly. Yeah.
If you're not there at least every 3 months connecting with people, you're just part of the agent that they don't remember.
And referrals is actually the easiest part. It's easy. It's easy business. It's very profitable because it's things that you don't expect a referral.
Yeah.
You ask for referrals, but you don't know when they're going to come back.
Yes.
Especially clients that you've been working with for a very long time.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely. And referrals equals trust and value and consistent communication. You have to have that trust relationship. Someone called me this weekend. I sold the property to him many years ago, and he asked me to sell his property again because he's moving on. And that was nice to have that.
Wow.
Because I stayed in touch with him as well, always.
Oh, look at that. And I'm going to bring this up again. I know we have spoken about it before. This is really the trust triangle. Let's see if I'm bringing, there we go. So if we look at the trust triangle, right on top is empathy. And I know it's probably inverted on your screen, but this is really something that you have to bring into your business. Empathy. Put yourself in the feet of the clients. Feel what they feel, hear what they hear, see what they see. And then the next one is the competency. Are you competent to deliver service to this client? Do you know what you're talking about? I think that's quite a big one. And then the next one is transparency. Are you honest with them? Are you giving them real info? Can they trust your info? And then the last one is dependability. Can they depend on you to sell their property? Can they trust you to sell their property? So I just thought of bringing this in again from Value Squared. It's really valuable if you can bring in trust. Yeah. And I think it starts with trust, because if they don't trust you, they're not going to give their biggest asset to you to sell.
If you don't trust your hairdresser, you won't get back to her.
Oh, exactly. And you will not refer anybody to her as well.
That's why trust is so immensely important. Because your goal is not just to be remembered, but to be referred.
Exactly. Yeah, so referrals come from exactly what we just said: trust, value, consistent communication. And that is actually, the consistency is once again key here. Yeah. It's not, what is it, intensity. It's not intensity, it's consistency. It's not once a year you send out this smart plan and you hope you're going to get a lot of referrals back.
Yeah. A week later, 2 weeks later, it's gone.
Out of month. Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah. And your goal isn't to be just remembered, it is to be recommended. So you want your clients also to tell other people about you and to say, call this agent. So it's not just inside referrals, you want outside referrals as well, outside of your sphere as well.
Yes.
And exactly what I said earlier, you've got the 36 touch in smart plan in Command, or the quarterly call smart plan, that actually works very well. So every quarter you get to speak to your clients,
Yes.
as well as they get quarterly emails and a lot of other touches in between, like a WhatsApp, a text message, etc.
The big thing in our business, I call it a contact sport.
Mm.
And this is a contact sport. If you don't keep contact with your sellers and buyers, you forgot it. Yeah. If someone wants to sell their property, 76% call only one agent.
Yes, yes.
You have to be that one agent. Yeah, and then they will also refer you definitely.
So Pieter, I've got a question for you. How do you run your smart plan in Command, or how are you running this to keep in contact with your clients? Just like you said, you now got a client that wants to sell again.
Yes. I've got a smart plan that ran through the year, that every month send them a email,
Okay.
but not always related to the work. I sent them a recipe or
It's an item of value.
yeah. The last one that went out is a video or email that tells them how to keep their home secure when they go away on holiday.
Okay.
And then just send it in, but remember I'm here. Do you want to sell?
Yeah.
I do that. And also people that inquire.
Yeah.
I put them on the smart plan. So it's a couple of ways that we can do.
Okay, that's nice.
Someone also phoned me yesterday evening and saying that their mother wants to sell, although they are not my smart plan, but I send her husband every month the newsletter.
Oh,
And she just wants me to go to her parents to do evaluation.
now look at that. See, that is now the outside where it starts going bigger.
Yeah,
Your sphere is actually getting bigger.
That's
Yeah.
right.
Oh, wow.
no, that's fantastic.
Okay, well, thanks for sharing. Yeah. And I think stay on top of mind. I would also think you can even get referrals through social media. You can even get referrals, agent-to-agent referrals. Do not forget your colleagues. And I know most of you are doing this already, but this is really, if you really feel that you cannot do this listing, if it's too far away, or even maybe it's a speciality that you don't have, rather refer it to service the client on a high level, so that you can get referrals back as well from that client.
No, I think our code of conduct will also say that you must be a master of that property that you're advertising.
Yeah.
You can't advertise a farm when you're nothing about a farm.
That's,
So
yeah.
rather make use of your colleagues,
Yes.
as you said, to who's on top of that subject.
Exactly. There are people that really, and they already have buyers, by the way, for farms probably, and they know how to market the farm. It's different from a residential property.
Someone asked me to sell a property in midstream. I wouldn't know what to do because I don't know midstream.
Oh, yes, I hear you.
So refer someone if they
Yeah, and I mean, Peter, you could have gone there. Midstream is not so far, so you could have gone and listed it. However, do you know what's happening in that estate? It's a very different environment from just Centurion or from just Midrand, even from Pretoria itself. Yeah,
Definitely,
yeah, very different. Yeah.
Okay.
All right, we're ready for questions.
I was looking forward to that.
Okay.
Always, because there's always intriguing questions that keep me thinking.
Yeah.
Thank you.
All right, so here's the first one. Who are the top 20 people most likely to refer business to you? So think of this. Who are the top 20 people that will most likely refer business to you? 20, top 20. I mean, if you can get 20 referrals and you can probably do 15 sales from that, I mean, that's a bonus.
Yes.
That's a bonus. You will definitely cap with those 15 transactions.
I think to nurture your buyers is so important.
Yeah.
We tend to sell a property and then forget about the buyers because the transaction is gone, we go on, they won't sell again, so we did it. But to keep in touch with your buyers is so important because they will refer you to other people.
That's true. That is very true. All right, next question for you. How often am I truly staying in touch and adding value to my sphere? To go back to your command, see what you can level up, what you can make better. Number 3, what do I say when asking for referrals that feels authentic? There was I'm thinking on the very first family reunion that I have attended in 2016. There was a lady on the stage, her name was Lee Stern. She was a listing agent in a team. And she says every time property registered, she will tell the sellers. In fact, she will ask them 3 times throughout the transactions. And that final day, she will tell them, remember, I'm unemployed until I get a referral from you.
Good. Yeah.
And you are actually, if you don't have a listing, you are unemployed.
Yeah, that is not.
Yeah, that's actually very cool. And people think it's not a very straight question, but it's really something that they never heard before. Because yes, as real estate agents,
Yeah.
if you don't have a sellable listing, you are
They will think about it.
yeah, and they will remember that part.
And
Yes.
if you give them good sellers, they will refer.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, question number 4. How can I create a simple 12-touch plan for my past clients? So keep in mind, in Command, there's different options. Go into the library and make it your own. Remember, it needs to sound like you, not like Peter or myself or Ronald or anybody else. It must sound like you. Make it yours. And there's a 12-touch on Command. There's different smart plans. 36-touch, 19 to cement. All of these new ones are out. So make sure that your clients are connected to you through a smart plan.
I think it's quite important to manage your command in terms of your tags and to say this is a buyer and this is a seller, so that
Yes.
you can group all the buyers together and send them
And send them something.
and
Yeah.
send the sellers a message afterwards.
And something that you can also send, if you just listed a hot listing, then that is exactly where you can use the buyer tag to send it to all your buyers.
Yes. All the P24 buyers that come in.
Yes,
They
yes.
go through a certain,
Yeah.
certain
Yeah. All right, our final question. What can I do this week to reconnect with 5 important